Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Article 244A. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. In Assam's tribal majority, Diffu Lok Sabha constituency, which votes on April 26, candidates of all parties have promised the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution to create an autonomous state within a state. Now let's discuss what is Article 244A of the Constitution. Article 244A allows for creation of an autonomous state within Assam in certain tribal areas. It also envisages creation of a local legislature or council of ministers or both to carry out local administration. It was inserted into the Constitution by the 22nd Constitution Amendment Act 1969. Article 244A accounts for more autonomous powers to tribal areas than the 6th schedule. Among these, the most important power is the control over law and order. In autonomous councils under the 6th schedule, they do not have jurisdiction of law and order. Now let's understand what are the 6th and 5th schedules. The 6th schedule of the Constitution provides for the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram to safeguard the rights of the tribal population in these states. This special provision is provided under Article 244 Clause 2 and Article 275 Clause 1 of the Constitution. In Assam, the hill districts of Dima Hasao, Karbi Anglong, and West Karbi and the Bodo territorial region are under this provision. The governor is empowered to increase or decrease the areas or change the names of the autonomous districts. While executive powers of the Union extend in scheduled areas with respect to their administration in 5th schedule, the 6th schedule areas remain within executive authority of the state. The 5th schedule of the Constitution deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in any state except the 4 states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. The whole of the normal administrative machinery operating in a state do not extend to the scheduled areas. At present, 10 states, namely Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, and Telangana have 5th schedule area. Tribal habitations in the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir have not been brought under the 5th or 6th schedule. The Acts of Parliament or the state legislature do not apply to autonomous districts and autonomous regions or apply with specified modifications and exceptions. The councils have also been endowed with wide civil and criminal judicial powers, for example, establishing village courts, etc. However, the jurisdiction of these councils is subject to the jurisdiction of the concerned High Court. Now is the time for practice question. The provisions in 5th schedule and 6th schedule in the Constitution of India are made in order to protect the interest of scheduled tribes, determine the boundaries between states, determine the powers, authority, and responsibilities of panchayats, or protect the interest of all the border states. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.